Hey, this is Lucas with 1194 Video. Today, what I want to show you is something that was damaged on the car that I purchased that was wrecked. My car is basically, it was just basically the body, engine. It was missing some of the interior, but it ran and it would drive. So there was a few things I needed to order, and you can check out some of my other videos on the channel, and you'll see some of the other parts that I purchased that would go great on your 99 to 2004 Ford Mustang. And one of those things is this right here. These, if you purchase these off a used 03, 04 Cobra that are your thing, you're looking to spend, you know, quite a bit of money. And even if you do, a lot of times they're damaged. But what I have here, these are the 03, 04 Cobra side skirts, and they're actually amazing. They're fiberglass. They're molded great. They fit the car great. Each and every piece that they do, they said that they test fit them to their cars. This came from Fiberglass Specialties Incorporated. I think they're out of Nevada. These side skirts are $300, and they're in really nice shape. Plus, they've already got all the places where your original side skirts go on, and you have your strip with a little Mustang pony that pops on there. I'll show you. I've not even opened these up yet. The fender pieces, just like your original Mustang, it has the section that goes in the side skirt, the little piece right here for it to overlap on the front, right there. It has that. It's got the pieces on the bottom right here that go up to the bottom of the car. And it's already got the places needs to be drilled. You just have to drill those. It's already got the place that needs to be drilled there to mount to the front of the fender. But they're real nice. Of course, your factory ones will have the two push clips right here to push it into the fender. I will probably, most likely, what I'll do, I will fiberglass a piece right here to add those clips to put it on the car. But it's not necessarily necessary, but I'll probably do that on the one I have. And those are both the pieces for the fender extensions. And as you can tell, the piece that sits on top of the rocker, it does have the little pieces right there all the way down it that you'll have to punch out yourself. It also, on the bottom of the car, where it actually, the push pins that hold it to the rocker. They made these molds directly off of 03, 04 Cobra side skirt. It has the piece in the back right here, just needs to be knocked out for the screw for the rear of the quarter. It molds up into the quarter, just like factory. The only thing, just like the front, it doesn't have the place for the push pins for it to pop to the body. And these aren't a mold-on kit. You know, a lot of these Honda guys and stuff, they got the cheap kits that they stick on their car and screw to it with sheetrock screws and fiberglass over it, and then they crack because they're cheap junk. Well, this is a good kit. You know, you go on the car, you mount it just like factory. The only thing is, in the rears where you would normally have your clips, it's not really necessary. You don't have to have those because it does screw to the rear of the quarter, it does screw to the fender and to the bottom of the car, and you can actually add a screw to the bottom of the side skirt. This is a great kit. This was $300 shipped to your door, or at least that's what I paid, and I really do recommend this. These are really nice Cobra side skirts. Nothing against the 99 to 04 V6 and GTs, but they all have a side skirt that it kind of sticks out. If you really want your car to stand out, or if you have a Cobra that's damaged, you can buy these right here rather than having to look all over the place in the junkyards to try to find a wrecked Cobra that's got these on there. But they're good molds, they're strong, they're sturdy, they've got a good warranty on them. The customer service on these guys is great. I've been talking to them on the phone and going back and forth with emails. And also, if you're wanting to add to yours, I wanted the shaved Cobra rear bumper for my car. So I know a lot of guys with the urethane bumpers, they'll actually put an epoxy over the Cobra and over the side reflectors. Well, this company right here, Fiberglass Specialties Inc., sells a 03, 04 Cobra bumper. Just like the side skirts, I've got one which I'll be showing you in another video. It's $365 for the rear bumper. Mounts up just like factory, and I paid $125 to have it shipped, which may seem a little high, but if you want that shaved bumper and you want that clean look, you know, you're going to pay for it. So for $490, I got a real nice 03, 04 Cobra bumper. Okay, I showed you the side skirts that I ordered, the fiberglass ones for 03, 04 Cobra. Well, I have the 03 Cobra fender sitting here. This right here is the front section. I'll show you a little more detail there, exactly how it's made. It's got the groove in it right there for the rear skirt to go in. And, you know, some body kits that you order, this would be molded in with it, where you couldn't remove the fender away from the car. But it's made just like the actual one would be made on the Cobra. Rather, it doesn't have the clips here to go into the fender for these two clips here. But it does have the screw hole for the front and the two push pins for the bottom. And right now what I'm basically going to do, I'm going to show you how well it fits to the fender. There's the fender. The front, right there where the little hole will be, fits right in there. And that right there shows you exactly how well this stuff lines up. I mean, it lines up very, very well. And of course, right there, the two holes, it goes right over them. So, this is the side skirt. It also doesn't have those clips, but the clips are not needed. With it having the original pieces on the top, for this right here, to pop right down in, to hold the top in, it actually doesn't need them because you have the screw in the back. Now what I'm doing here, I'm just going to show you exactly how well these mold to the car. Just going to slide it in. Alright, push it in firm. Alright. Now, as you can tell, it fits really nicely. And if you're looking at that gap right there, all that needs to be done is screwed in. And that right there will be perfect all along the bottom. And then screwed in right there at the back. But it fits really, really nicely. But as I go through the process of getting this thing built, guys, I hope y'all can enjoy it, share it with some of your friends, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, I will be doing some more videos. Thank you, guys.